Hello everyone, it's Tanya coming to you today from Firefly Berries headquarters, and I'm coming to you today to give you a little bit of information about our 2020 Concord Grapes season. So first off, we have decided that because of COVID-19 we will not be having You Pick Grapes available. Instead, we will have, like we did during strawberry season, online ordering with curbside pickup. For grapes, though, we will be having curbside pickup offered on Tuesday and Friday evenings between 4 and 6 p.m. and Saturday mornings between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. So how is it going to work? It's going to be very similar to our strawberry season. However, keep in mind that we have a lot more grapes than we do strawberries. Every Friday, starting this Friday, September 18th, we will start at 12 noon. I will I'll update all of the grapes that will be available for the following week's pickup. So when you go online, you will simply go, as for strawberries, to the shop link page, and from there you will click on Fresh Produce. Now under the Fresh Produce link, there will be three different options, three different categories, and they are organized by the day you wish to pick them up. So from there, you need to choose. Do you want to pick them up Tuesday, Friday, or Saturday? The date will be very obvious, and I will walk through that with you here in a little bit. Our pricing this year for less than 100 pounds will be $1.75 per pound, and for 100 to 199 pounds will be $1.50 a pound. And if you purchase 200 pounds or more, it will be $1.25 a pound. We learned during strawberry season that what seems very straightforward to us does not always seem straightforward to our customers. So I have done my best to make it as clear as possible on our website, and I'm doing this little video here where I can walk you through the various steps and actually show you the screen. So let's take a look at what it will look like online when you go to order. Okay, so I have logged us on to our website, which is www.fireflyberries.com. Now you're going to want to go up to the top right corner and you are going to click on Shop. And from there, when you order, I'm going to talk specifically about the grapes. However, you can also order yarn, my naturally dyed yarn line, or canned goods, which will include the honey, jelly, juice, as well as grape fruit leather and grape popsicles, which we will be selling for a fundraiser for community food response. So every time we sell a package of fruit leather or a popsicle, $1 of that will go to community food response. But what I want to show you is the fresh produce. So you're going to click on Fresh Produce, and that link will then take you here where you'll see a picture of grapes. And let's scroll down a little bit so that I can give you the full picture. So here on this page, you will now see three categories, specifically orders for pickup on Tuesday, September 22nd, orders September 25th, and Saturday, September 26th. Now currently this is set up for the first week of ordering. We anticipate grape season to go about 3 weeks, depending on when we get a hard freeze. So these dates will change based on the week ahead that we are taking orders for them. So if you are interested in ordering on Tuesday, September 29th, you will check back then on Friday the 25th after 12 noon when I post the information. So from here, if I wish to pick up on Friday, September 25th, I click on that, and then I come to this page where it lists the various pounds. So we have 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 100 pounds, or 200 pounds. The smallest increment that we are doing online for online ordering is 5 pounds, and that is because we get charged a percentage of every order online plus a per order charge. So if you're just ordering 1 pound, we'll sell you 1 pound, but we prefer, if it's less than 5 pounds, for you to call us 507-252-1309 and place that order over the phone, and then when you come, bring the cash to pay for that. That just helps us as a small business to not have quite so many fees with the credit cards. So there's a 5 pound, a 10 pound, 100, and 200. So if you're interested in purchasing 25 pounds, you would click on the 10 pound grapes. And right now everything is listed as out of stock, but come Friday it will be back in stock, obviously. And then there will be an option right here underneath here where it says out of stock now. It'll say quantity. If you want 20 pounds, you're going to click 2 there. Okay, and then you would go over to the 5 pounds and you would click 1 on the 5 pounds, which would total 25 pounds. Now, if you're interested in 100 pounds, or you would click directly on this and add quantity 1, or if you're interested in something between 100 and 200 pounds, so say 125, 150, 175, then we'd ask you to give us a call at the farm, because we can be sure to give you that full discount of $1.50 a pound for your entire order. The other option for adding it to your cart is also this little cart icon down below that I am holding my cursor over. When we have the grapes in stock, we'll actually highlight and it will ask you if you want to add to cart, and you can click directly from this page to add it to your cart. Simply for the sake of explaining to you how it works once we get to the cart, I'm going to show you from here with some canned goods. So I'm going to add a raspberry jam to my cart. Okay, so I just added it to my cart. There's a checked mark there and it says View Cart. So I'm going to go to my cart. If I am ready to check out, I am going to click Proceed to Checkout. You will notice that any of the jams, the honey, the juice, the fresh produce, it should all be listed as local pickup. You should not be charged any additional fee for any of these curbside pickups. The fee is simply what it says. If by any chance you are, it does listed as you're getting charged for shipping, you should have the option to change it to local pickup, and if you do not, please give us a call and we will help you work that through over the phone. So once you are here, if you have a PayPal credit account already, and you want to pay with your PayPal balance, you would click on this blue PayPal credit link. If, however, you just want to pay by a debit or credit card, you would click on the yellow PayPal link. This is typically what most people are interested in doing, and from here this pops up. You simply click on Play with Debit or Credit Card, and it's thinking here for a minute, and then it will give you the option there to do checkout as a guest. So you do not need to create an account in order to buy grapes from us or jam or jelly or any of those things. You simply need to click on the yellow PayPal link, and that will allow you to do a credit or debit checkout. One last thing I wanted to alert you to on our website is up on top you'll see there's these listings of our different pages. Right here where it says COVID-19 response, if you have any questions at all about the process, things that I am telling you right now, anything at all that has to do with the year, this is the page you want to go to. Please check here first if you are confused before you give us a call, because there is a possibility your question may very well be answered on this page. Of course, we always like to hear from our customers, so feel free to give us a call, but you may get your question answered much quicker if you simply just click on the COVID-19 response page. So this page will have all the information for you about ordering times, about when the pickup time is, about how to pay, policies about what happens if you cannot get to us at the specified pickup time, as well as pricing, lots of information. So please be sure to check that out if you have any questions. And if you still have not had your questions answered, then by all means, give us a call out at the farm. We'd be happy to answer your questions and or to walk you through your online order. All right, so hopefully that walkthrough helped those of you who maybe were feeling a little confused about how the process will work, helped you feel a little more comfortable about ordering your grapes online and picking them up. Two more things that I want to just highlight before I say goodbye. The first one is what happens once we receive your order. So once you place your order, you'll receive a confirmation from PayPal that will just confirm your payment, but that's not the confirmation from us necessarily. So once that happens, then I receive a notice saying that your order has been placed, and I will be sending out a confirmation email directly from the info@fireflyberries email address, and that will include not only confirming your order, but giving you directions and information on the pickup time and the scheduled details of what happens when you drive in and what to look for and all that jazz. So if you were not out for strawberry season and did not see how we ran our curbside pickup, you will receive a complete information in the confirmation email that you receive from me. And you can expect that email to arrive about a day before you are scheduled to pick up. So if you're scheduled to pick up Tuesday evening, expect that to arrive in your inbox by Monday evening. I will not be sending them out super early because I know that sometimes we forget and we need a reminder. So I will probably send them out 24 to 36 hours before you are scheduled to pick up your order. If you do not hear from us and it is less than 24 hours before you are scheduled to pick up, please be sure to give us a call. There is a small chance, if there are tons of orders, a large quantity of orders, that your email could have gotten skipped in my confirmation email by accident. But please be sure to reach out to us. We want to make sure we have those grapes ready for you when you arrive to pick them up. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is just simply about our canned goods. So our raw honey, we will have lots of raw honey available. It's been a great year for raw honey, so please check that out under the canned goods section. There is raw honey in pints and in squeezed bear size, as well as some cut comb and lots of great raw honey to help you get through the winter. And then as far as jam and jelly and that sort of thing, some of you may realize this if you have your own gardens, but there is a shortage of canning supplies right now. So we are doing our best to get more jars that we can make more jam and jelly. We were able to get our hands on a pretty large quantity of quart size containers that we'll be able to make grape juice. However, we are still hunting for the smaller sizes that we use for making jam. So if you go online right now, today I'm recording this, it's September 13th, what we have online is what we have available at the moment. I'm hoping that in the next week or two, we will start to see more jars available and we can make more grape jelly and raspberry jam and rhubarb jam and all that stuff that we know that our customers like. But if you see that quantity go down, it is not because we are stopping to make jam or jelly. It's just simply because we don't have the supplies, the canning supplies available to put the jelly into. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to direct message us, or you can also give us a call, 507-252-1309, to ask us questions, or you can also leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer those for you. So thank you so much for supporting us during this uncertain time and craziness that has happened over the last 6 to 8 months. We appreciate you supporting our local business, and we look forward to seeing you out at the farm soon for curbside pickup of Concord grapes. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great night.